Hello techies! In this session, we will explore real-world enterprise use cases for Claude Code. And also, we will understand how organizations are leveraging AI-powered development assistants to transform the way software is designed, developed, tested, and maintained. Many people initially think Claude Code is simply a coding assistant that generates code snippets. However, in enterprise environments, Claude Code goes far beyond code generation. It acts as an intelligent AI coworker that assists developers, architects, DevOps engineers, QA teams, business analysts, and project managers throughout the entire software development lifecycle. Alright, let's explore some of the most valuable enterprise use cases. First one is accelerating software development. This is one of the most common uses of Claude Code in enterprises is accelerating software development projects. Traditionally, developers spend significant time writing boilerplate code, creating project structures, implementing repetitive functions, and configuring frameworks. With Claude Code, developers can simply describe their requirements in natural language and receive production-ready code suggestions within minutes. For an example, a developer can request, create a REST API using Node.js and express with CRUD operations for employee management. Claude Code can generate the folder structure, controllers, routes, services, models, and documentation, significantly reducing development time. This allows development team to focus more on business logic and innovation rather than repetitive coding tasks. Second use case is legacy application modernization. Many organizations still rely on legacy systems developed years or even decades ago. These applications often contain outdated technologies, poor documentation, and complex code structures that are difficult to maintain. Claude Code can assist teams in understanding the legacy code bases. It will explain business logic and refactoring outdated code. And also it converts the old frameworks into modern architecture by improving code readability. For an example, an enterprise migration from older .NET Framework applications to modern .NET solutions can use Claude Code to analyze the existing code and recommend modernization strategies. This reduces migration risks and speed up transformation initiatives. The third use case is automated documentation generation. One of the biggest challenges in enterprise software projects is maintaining accurate documentation. Developers often prioritize coding over documentation, resulting in outdated technical documentation. Claude Code can automatically generate API documentation, technical specifications, architecture descriptions, user guides, README files, deployment instruction, and many more. Imagine a team developing a microservices architecture with dozens of APIs. Instead of manually documenting each service, developer can use Claude Code to generate consistent and comprehensive documentation automatically. This improves collaboration and knowledge sharing across teams. Fourth use case, code review and quality assurance. Enterprise organizations place significant emphasis on code quality and governance. Code reviews are essential but often consume developers' time. Claude Code can act as an intelligent reviewer by identifying the coding issues, detecting security vulnerabilities, recommending performance improvements, enforcing coding standards, and suggesting best practices. For an example, before submitting a pull request, a developer can ask Claude Code to review the code and provide recommendations. This enables teams to catch issues earlier and improve overall software quality. Fifth use case, enterprise DevOps and automation. Modern enterprises rely heavily on DevOps practices for continuous integration and continuous deployment. Cloud Code can assist DevOps teams by generating CI/CD pipelines, infrastructure as code templates, Docker configurations, Kubernetes deployment manifest, and automation scripts. For instance, DevOps engineer can request generate a GitHub Actions workflow for building, testing, and deploying a Node.js application. Cloud Code can create a complete workflow within seconds. This dramatically reduces manual effort and accelerates deployment cycles. Sixth use case, test automation and quality engineering. Testing is critical component of enterprise software delivery. Many organizations struggle with insufficient test coverage and manual testing efforts. Cloud Code can help QA and development team to create unit tests, integration tests, API tests, regression test scenarios, and mock data generation. For an example, after developing a service, developer can ask Cloud Code to generate comprehensive test cases that cover both positive and negative scenarios. This improves application reliability and reduces production defects. Seventh use case, AI-powered knowledge management. Large enterprises often possess thousands of documents, technical specifications, and project artifacts. Finding the right information can be challenging. Cloud Code can help teams to analyze the project documentation, summarize technical content, explain architecture decisions, generate onboarding materials, and provide knowledge support. New team members can quickly understand a project without spending weeks reading documentation. This significantly improves onboarding efficiencies. Another use case, security and compliance assistance. Security is a major concern for enterprise organizations. Cloud Code can assist security teams by reviewing code for vulnerabilities, identifying insecure code patterns, recommending remediation strategies, supporting secure development practices, and generating security documentation. For an example, Cloud Code can detect hard-coded credentials, insecure API implementation, or improper authentication mechanism and suggest improvements. This helps organizations strengthen their security posture. Another use case, business process automation. Beyond software development, Cloud Code can support automation initiatives. Organizations can use Cloud Code to generate automation scripts, workflow integrations, data transformation logic, API integration code, RPA support components. For professionals working with Power Automate, UiPath, Automation Anywhere, or Blue Prism, Cloud Code can accelerate automation development and reduce implementation time. And the final use case is AI coworker for engineering teams. Perhaps the most exciting use case is treating Cloud Code as an AI coworker. Instead of using AI occasionally, enterprises are increasingly integrating Cloud Code into daily workflows. Developers use it for coding, architects use it for solution design, QA engineers use it for testing. DevOps team use it for deployment automation, business analysts use it for requirement analysis, project managers use it for documentation and reporting. This collaborative approach allows organizations to improve productivity across multiple departments simultaneously. To summarize, Cloud Code is not merely a coding assistant. It is an enterprise productivity platform that supports software development, modernization, testing, documentation, DevOps, security, automation, and knowledge management. Organizations that successfully adopt AI-powered development workflows, which are able to deliver software faster, reduce operational costs, improve code quality, and empower teams to focus on high-value innovation. As AI continues to evolve, tools like Cloud Code will become essential components of modern enterprise development environments. Alright, I hope you understand the real-world enterprise use cases for Cloud Code as part of this tutorial.